The Porsche dealership charges $600 to do an oil change on this Porsche Panamera, but I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. Let's get to work. The oil filter is located under this cover piece, so we'll have to remove this cover piece. But first, we're gonna remove this bar. To remove the bar, we're gonna be using a size 16 wrench. The oil filter is located right here. We're gonna use a size 32 millimeter. Next, we're gonna remove this undercover. You're gonna need a size T20 Torx bit and a size 10 socket. The drain plug is located right here. You're gonna use a size T40 Torx bit to remove it. Once the oil is finished draining, we could go ahead and put the drain plug back. Clean it with brake part cleaner.